So I got my new custom auto sound radio. It was the wagon somebody retrofitted in 80s radio, and it looks pretty ugly. So I bought one that's supposed to look like the original, and we're gonna throw that thing in and see how it works. Pop these knobs off. Looks like we need a little nut driver on there. I'm gonna pull these screws all out of the glove box and drop that out very carefully. Looks very fragile. Drop the glove box liner out and we should be able to get to it. Alright, so very carefully took that glove box liner out. Oh, lovely. It doesn't look very good. Alright, so we got our power pigtail. We got ground. Red is accessory power. That's when you turn your key on. And B plus, that's constant power for the memory. So the clock will always say set. Alright, so I took the power and ground and put spade connectors on them and pushed them into the original wiring clip so I didn't disturb the original one. And there's aftermarket speakers somebody put in as well, so I just used their connectors for that. And we'll get the rest of these speaker wires wired up and put this thing in. Alright, let's see if this thing will work. Here it goes.
Don't sit back and, just play smart and poise with the puck.
Thanks to Darren Helm for stopping by with our Nick Olchuk between periods.
All right.
And re-zip in favor of Colorado over Edmonton.
Stick it on up in its slot. Looks like I gotta pull these nuts off here. Looks like you can adjust how deep it sits in here. So you can need to adjust this side back a little. I want it to sit a little proud, so I think I'm going to try backing them all the way back. See how that looks. Yeah, I like that. Good stuff. And I'm gonna reuse the original metal chrome rings. They sent some original lookalikes that look like plastic, because they are plastic.
Avs win a puck battle, and the Chishkin steers it out center ice. Obey Cubell gets it the rest of the way.
Well, there's the finished product. I have it linked to my phone, so I can have 50s music all the time. So when it shuts off, looks like the old screen. It's got Bluetooth, AM, FM, power antenna lead. Pretty nice. So far, I like it.